Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about how to fix potential alignment issues with your imported tiles in Unity's tile palette. When importing your tile sets into the tile palette, you might run into this issue where your tiles are not aligned with the grids that you see here. This will cause your tiles to also be misaligned when painted onto the scene. There are two possible causes for this, and the first is that the pivot for your tile sprites might be set incorrectly. To fix this, you will have to find the sprites for your tiles and modify them in the sprite editor. My tiles all come from a sprite sheet in my project, so in my case, I will need to reslice the sprites with the pivot set to the center. Once this is done, remember to click on the apply button to lock in the change, and your tiles should now fit nicely in your grids. Now, if your sprites already have their pivots centered, your tile may sometimes still be misaligned with the grid. If you have ascertained that the misalignment is not caused by an off-center pivot, then the cause of this problem might be because of your tiles having a position offset value set. If you select the tile on your tile palette, notice that I'm using the mouse cursor on the tile palette to select this, and head to the inspector window, you will see that the tile has a set of properties that you can manipulate. In my case, notice that the tile has a position offset of 0.2 on the X and the Y coordinates. In fact, all of my tiles have this offset. So what I'm going to do is select all my tiles on the tile palette and set all of their X and Y coordinates to 0. If you do this right, you will find that the tiles on your tile palette are now aligned. The tiles in your scene are still not, however, and all you gotta do is just paint over these older misaligned tiles with your newly aligned tiles on your tile palette. And that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if the fixes worked for you or not.